Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with safety first. Read the bottle to confirm concentration, then clean and fully dry the area you'll treat. Once done, perform a patch test on your inner forearm for 5–10 minutes to check for allergic reaction or excessive numbness. If any burning, rash, or swelling appears, stop immediately and wash off. Seek advice. Make sure you have a towel nearby and limit other topical products so you know this spray's effects. You'll apply with control. Shake the bottle and hold it about 6–8 inches from the skin. Spray 2 to 3 short bursts onto the target area. Less is better than more. Once done, use clean fingertips to lightly spread the film. Do not rub aggressively. Avoid spraying mucous membranes, inside the urethra, or broken skin. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes so the lidocaine reaches peak numbing. This timing helps you judge effect without overusing product. You finish by wiping any excess spray away and washing your hands thoroughly to avoid accidental transfer. Once done, gauge sensation during activity. If numbness is excessive, rinse the area under lukewarm water and mild soap to remove residue and reduce effect. Make sure to avoid repeated daily heavy dosing. Follow label limits. If you experience severe burning, spreading redness, breathing difficulty, or numbness lasting beyond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.